Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Still hot. It's about 2,000 degrees up in this house. The air conditioning man came and left. I didn't like the way he was talking. The prices are crazy. And he wanted to come over into the family room. I said, you got to take your shoes off or something. So he put on those little footy booty things. Big old country cornbread feds. Somebody sweating all over the place. And I know it was hot as Hades up in here. But anyway, I didn't like his prices, so right now me and Walter are getting ready to go to Home Depot to check out some of the portable units. Not the window units, but the portable ones. I had a portable one before in another house, and it ran well. But I had to empty the pan of water. But nowadays they got the kind that they don't leak. So we're gonna see. And I like that I got low windows. My windows go almost to the floor. So I won't have all that country, bulky coils and things all over the place. Sound like that. So I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all see what's in the background. I ain't supposed to talk about it yet. It's on that ottoman. Ain't talk about it yet. So I ain't say nothing. Okay, we're headed into Home Depot. There you go. You can see it. Check out these portable air conditioners. Maybe window air conditioner. Because that dude was talking crazy as I don't know what. With his big sweaty self. We can't go in that door. This man better not hit me. He see me. Let me go around. Yeah, I can go around. Okay, we're in the store. I'm gonna get a buggy so I can ride my purse. I have to remember not to make y'all dizzy. Okay. Now where the AC units at? Storage home grills. Let me ask this lady. Oh, here's somebody over here. Look at all these grills. Excuse me, where are the air conditioning units?
Right before you get to the cash registers on the right.
On the right?
Yeah, right before you get to the cash register.
Okay, thank you. This lady in here who looked just like Huncho VB. I didn't want to put the camera in her face. Looked just like her, but it wasn't her. So it's going to be over to the side. How much is their water? $2.48? Oh, that's purified. I don't like that. What kind of water is that we drink? Is it purified?
Yeah.
Ugh. We drink it every day, and I'm saying I don't like it. Well, anything's good when you're thirsty. Let me turn this off. Okay, here's the portable air conditioner. Still have the dual, whatchamacallit. Nope, I just see one hose. The hose, I need the one with the two. Here's 8,000. No, I want the one with the dual hose. More efficient. Nope, nope, nope. I don't want any of these. I'm gonna have to order from Amazon after all. What's this? Drum fan. That's huge. That's all they got. They got window air conditioners. Okay, so go over here. Same thing. Don't want that. It's $369. No.
Waiting garden 423, waiting garden 423.
Nope, they don't have what I want. The window, 10,000 BTU. Instant discount. Nope, 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 don't want that. Okay, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, we wound up getting another window unit, just like the one my daughter brought me. So, that'll help a lot. And I just wait on all that other stuff. So right now I'm in Red Snapper Grill. Ordered some chicken wings. And Walter is over there at Panda Express.
Thank you.
You're welcome. He's getting him a meal. He always say mine looks so good, but he always wants something else. And they're still working on Burger King, so I ain't driving up in that lot. Pick up a nail in my tire. So, I will talk to you all later. I'm going to end it now. Okay. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye. Okay, this is from the Red Snapper Grill fish place. I got chicken, so let me show you. Okay, I got 10 wings, so I have some for now and some for later. And got the hot sauce. This reminds me of sharks and has lemon pepper on it. Okay, I'm going for real now. Bye. These don't look good as my wings.